Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to make Windows event logs and system diagnostics easier to understand in Windows Computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for Event Viewer. Just click on it. So now you will see here the respective event viewers, right? So let me click on this Windows Logs and you can see here various options like applications. So you can see here the different applications Windows Logs as you can see, but you might get confused because it looks very complex, is not it? So it's not very easy to understand even though there is details regarding their respective options. So for the common people, it's not very easy to understand. So in order to make this event viewer easy to understand, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, you will see here download option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. I will see here pulse.zip and pulse.exe. So you can download either one of this. So I'm gonna download the .exe file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So it will automatically scan and show you all the Windows event logs and system diagnostics. So you can see here clearly one by one all the information is provided. So you can click on the respective option and on the right side you can see here all the details which you can easily understand. You can see the event ID number completely provided here, and so you can see some more errors showing. So Windows service failed to start. So this is the error, and you can see the event ID here which is showing up here, the number. So the details says Windows service failed to start. So you can see tons of errors showing up in my Windows event logs. So there are some warnings also here regarding the Edge browser. So you can see here failed to authenticate caller process. So you can see here different, and you can see the event ID here. So it's very easy to understand using this application here. And next to it is our system health. Under the system health, you can see whether every hardware system is properly working or not. And next option is our inventory. So here you can check by selecting the different options regarding the system, motherboard, BIOS, CPU, memory, tons of options which you can check out by yourself. And next to it is our reports. So here it will show you regarding the different reports, in the system health snapshots, regarding the timeline events, regarding the diagnostics, tons more options also, so you can check out by yourself this too. And next option is diagnostics. So under the diagnostics you can start running the different options which is available here, and you can stop it also by clicking on the stop, or if you want to restart you can just restart the services. And the last option is regarding the settings for this respective application which you can reset depending upon your needs. So by using this application named as Pulse, you can easily make Windows event logs and system diagnostics easier to understand in Windows Computer very easily. So if you never known about a school application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.